Hi, I am Ella. Today we are going to talk about how to plan your travel with iWeaver. Planning a trip and feeling disorganized? In today's world of endless options and information overload, organizing travel plans can be daunting. Most of the time, you end up with overwhelming travel guides, maps, hotel reviews, and booking confirmations, etc., and lose the exciting mood. Or maybe you can do this in a different way, a more easy but efficient way. Let iWeaver open and capture key information from various travel guides and booking sites. With iWeaver, managing your travel details becomes seamless. Simply capture travel guides, itineraries, and booking confirmations directly into iWeaver. All you have to do is to provide your resources for planning a travel. For example, you may collect a lot of blogs or articles, review a country or place, or you have watched some YouTubers who shares their experiences, or you check the official travel white papers, etc. No matter what is it or where it's from, just throw them to iWeaver. Let's look at an example of a trip plan from New York to Hong Kong. Start by creating a tag for this specific topic. Then, copy and paste the travel guide resource link or upload your file to iWeaver. Then iWeaver will first give you a summary of the lengthy content to save your time. After that, you can start conversation with iWeaver AI for any related questions and details to these travel guide. For example, you can ask the must-visit places, the hotel recommendation, the plane tickets, the time of travel, the best season to visit, and more. Anything related to your plan would be answered. If the information is not included in your resources, iWeaver will search online for suggestion. Or you can just ask it to give you complete travel guide tailored for you based on what you've provided. Then done. Now it's your turn. Plan your trip with iWeaver.